Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write Instagram Reels description. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is to open your Instagram. And after that, you will need to go to the Reels that you want to start creating. And we can also do some editing. For example, I will just choose this Reel. And from here, I'm just going to click on this 3 points icon. And from here, we can start editing on our Reel. And basically here, I'm just going to click on edit. And basically, you can start creating or start editing on your existing Reel description. So from here, you can add the description. And of course, those were some tags that you can add. You can also tag people if you would like for collaboration, etc. And you can add as many things or type whatever you like on your description. Another way to do it for fresh reels. For example, I'm just going to create a reel from here. And basically here, I'm just going to click on reel. I'm just going to click on next. And basically here, write a caption in the hashtags. And basically the caption is the description for your post or the description for your reel. And all you need to do is just to add the descriptions. For example, whatever you are describing, you add the comment on the video, um, whatever it was, and after that, you will be needing to add hashtags. And for the hashtag, you need to make sure that the hashtag are uh, widely used so they can add visibility to your content and add visibility to your read. And for example, I'm just going to type trending or trend, and as you can see, many posts are using this uh, hashtag, and you can add whatever you like. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.